Three people have lost their lives after cyclonic storm Nivar lashed out at Tamil Nadu. In fact, quite a tragic incident there that was caught on camera. A man who was trying to cross a road in Chennai was tragically killed there after a tree fell on him. Puducherry, Chennai have been waterlogged with trees getting uprooted. 380 trees have fallen. Section 144 have been extended until today, until this evening in Puducherry. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Edappadi Palaniswamy will visit Kudalur this afternoon for inspection, as it was the most affected area. Incidents of wall collapse were also reported from some parts of Tamil Nadu. According to the government, more than 2 lakh people have been moved to shelters in the state. 25 NDRF teams have been deployed and clearance operations are currently underway. Chennai airport resumed operations after 79 flights were cancelled after overnight suspension of flights and flight operations. Cyclone Nivar began landfall 30 kilometers north of Puducherry at 11:30 p.m. last night. The eye of the storm was around 115 kilometers south of Chennai. Let's take a look at reports filed by our reporters on ground.
It looks like this is a stream of water that is going on, but this is an arterial road in Puducherry, which is near the Indira Gandhi statue, and all across this place, water is completely flooded. Both sides, actually all 4 sides of the road has been completely waterlogged, and people have been trying to wade through this water in so much of difficulty. Yesterday we had seen that there was prohibition that was given, but now we are seeing that since there's no prohibition or section 144 in place, people have started venturing out. Many of them just curious, many of them returning back to work, and we're seeing that it's a very tough situation. We are also seeing the traffic cops are trying to, figure out how to make these people move in an according manner without creating congestion. But unfortunately, there is a lot of waterlogging here. Water is flowing like a stream, and this is a tough scenario. And now almost many arterial roads in Puducherry are inundated, and it is a big question as to how long will it take for government officials to pump out all this water out of the city to ensure that people have a normal life again. Public who have stepped out of their homes are having difficulties venturing out. Many people in two-wheelers have been the ones who have been facing the maximum difficulty here. And, at this juncture, we can only expect that people start taking caution and remain indoors and not step out. They can at least see these visuals on their screen and understand that the situation outside is not safe.
Well, I'm now in the Sulinga-Nallur area. You have a lot of techies who reside over here in this locality, and it's also surrounded by a lot of tech companies. However, in spite of all that, do take a look at what's the situation. It's completely inundated, this particular area. Many of the people have noticed over here, especially motorists, are forced to push their bikes. These are some of the lucky ones whose engines have not been seized. But look at this. This particular house, in fact, what I'm told is that from last evening, the water levels started to increase. Thereby, as of now, whoever's inside, there's one individual, he's not been able to come out because I'm also told there are a lot of snakes in this area. The ground floor completely filled with water. He's staying on the top floor. They have sufficient food and water inside. But the problem is every time it rains, this is the situation in this particular place. It's inundated with water. The first floor is filled, the ground floor is filled with water, and they have to manage. The situation in many parts of Chennai is such. Roads have been inundated. Many areas, low-lying areas are flooded. And, well, there's no option. People have to wait and pray that it stops raining. The sun begins to shine, and then things will get much better. With video journalist Divyan Nolan Pinto for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.